Alright guys, well today's video is way off base. So I took a few dollars from the old YouTube account and I bought a drone. So it's a DJI Mavic Mini. Let me get a bit of so I figured we'd do a little review on this thing. I know next to nothing about technology. This is like Terminator stuff for me.
We asked the one friend we know that knows technology, and this is one that he liked. Oh.
This one fits in your pocket. So, we're going to try and set this thing up and see if we can use it. And hopefully don't crash it. And then maybe go, I don't know, fly it around, take a look at it. Oh, you boned it.
I already boned it.
Oh, gentle.
I got it.
So this was expensive. It was like $600. Which is a lot. That's a lot of money for us. But, I don't know. Hopefully it'll be, make some cool roller shots and all that sort of stuff, and
yeah, see, look,
spy the neighbors, do all those things. So, I guess we're gonna what? Are we gonna download an app and figure out how this works?
Yeah, I downloaded the app already. So really, it's just plugging it in and playing it. Oh wait, I wanted to see. Can you find where the joystick is to attach to there?
Right here.
No, but you attach a little joystick. Where do you think it is?
Well, I need both hands.
It took me a while to find it. And by a while, I mean I had to Google it. So you open up like this is where the phone goes. And look, they're hidden. Isn't that kind of cute?
Yeah.
And then you go whoop. And then you screw them in. Isn't that neat?
Alright, so we'll get this thing kind of set up and see if we can get it to take off. Hoser. So this is how it's going. It hasn't stopped beeping. And we've almost broken up. So, maybe you're a little more technical than us, but we're struggling pretty hard. Alright, we'll be back. Well, I'm sitting down, waiting. Wouldn't say things are going great. Both drone or relationship-wise.
We made up.
I think we're figuring it out.
We both said we were sorry.
We actually went in, had a couple of Cokes and some beef jerky. But, I guess you gotta download some app or something.
It's like when you get a new PlayStation game and you gotta update and all that stuff. That's what it's doing right now.
Yeah, so I don't technology well. She's better at it than I am, but that's not saying much. So, hopefully, we have another, like, 2 hours of footage, I guess, on this SD card. So, if we don't fill it up before we can fly this thing. And also, the first thing it says is don't fly it inside, so let's see what happens.
Oh, should we go outside?
Yeah, we're already inside. I'm sitting down. Do we figure it out? So it's been another 20 minutes. If you don't have any patience, I don't know if you'd make it this far. If it wasn't for Danny, we'd get nothing done. It's 2 steps forward, 1 step, but
no GPS signal.
We'll give it the PS.
Gimbal stuck. What do you mean gimbal stuck? I don't know what the fuck that means. Oh, unable to take off because we're in a restricted zone.
Oh, come on. All right.
So we have to drive away.
Well, we'll see you guys on the road maybe, or at the garbage bin. All right. Well, we're out cruising. Turns out we actually gotta drive a fair ways away. We're pretty close to the airport, but not that close. But I'll do a show up on camera. There's this big blue spot. You gotta be outside of that. Whoop. And so yeah, we're gonna drive halfway out of town, as it feels like, to try and not crash this thing. But it's an excuse. Danny gets to drive her hot rod. What else do you need, right? Alright, well, it's an absolute debacle. We're on the outskirts of town. Sun's going down. And doesn't look like things are going good still. So you gotta be pretty good at technology to fly this stupid machine. We're probably like 8 minutes into the video, and so far it's we're gonna smash it, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is where I'll probably go fast motion for a while.
Oh, I gotta hold that. Okay. Jesus Christ!
Oh.
Fuck! 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 Oh, Jesus!
Are you flying it?
Yeah, I'm trying!
That's pretty cool. Well, get away from me. It's like Edward Scissorhands. Oh, it's kind of creepy loud, eh? I don't want it to be over me. Go in the field. That's why we came here. Oh, the camera stays perfectly level. That's kind of cool. Is it recording or anything?
Yeah, tell me what to do.
It's unbelievably stable. Like, shockingly. Alright, we're gonna mess around with this thing a little bit, learn the controls, and maybe do some flybys or something. Alright, so now we got this thing on this post here. So hopefully it'll do like a cool shot as it takes off. Oh god. Sure takes off fast, eh? It kind of sounds like a swarm of bees are gonna come after us. Oh god. Is it recording stuff?
Yeah. You're in all my shots, man.
Banished to the basement.
No, I look good.
Alright, well we'll switch over to some of this footage and see how she goes.
Let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive. Where we go, I don't care, just get me into open air. Start the car and burn the tires. Let's light this road on fire and go. Stop for gas and stop for snacks. We'll stop for photographs, using the wind as our ACE. Shift the gears and floor the gas. Let this love last years with you.
Well, it's been 3 minutes and she smashed it. Right into the post here. Holy Christ. Well, if you thought the breakup wasn't happening before, there's a good chance of it now.
Look, it'll go down.
So we got some durability tests. Are all the blades good and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, she is scuffed. Wow. There's cars coming. Don't hit them either. Now, I'm going to do a little drive-by. Oh, she's giving me the high five. I don't know what she wants. Just see it there. Oh, thumbs up. Let's see how this goes. Oh, it's like a race. This thing's fast. Oh, I think she mangled it. that was like a Terminator. Alright, we'll try this a few more times.
So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive.
Alright.
Get that on camera?
I don't know if I did. Oh!
Jesus fuck.
So, we went even further out of town, found this kind of crappy gravel road at the end of Makeout Point. But we're gonna see if we maybe get a couple of cool drive-bys with some dusty roads. So far, pretty impressed with this thing. Handled the crash test not bad. It's handled the relationship test. It definitely stresses it. And the battery's lasted pretty good. Still has like 80% left. We've been messing around. 59. Well, we mangled that. But yeah, we'll take this thing for a cruise up the road, see how it goes, and you guys can judge in the comments.
I don't care, just get me into open air. tools, cause we'll need them knowing you. Zip ties and duct tape, this is fate. Couldn't want it any other way. So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive. Where we go, I don't care, just get me into open air. Start the car and burn the tires, let's light this road on fire and go. So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive.
Alright, pilot, what do you think of it?
Alright, so initially the drone arrived and I wasn't that impressed with it.
It was more of an R issue though.
But after getting it like ready to go and stuff and playing around with it a little bit, it's actually really fun, and I'm very excited about being a pilot.
The battery lasted a long time.
It did pretty good, yeah. If I had turned it off earlier too, probably would have.
We only crashed once.
I only crashed once.
And we came across a flight path.
Yeah, we came across a flight path, so it actually had shut itself down, and then like came back. I thought we lost it for a second there, so that was a bit of a panic as well. It was definitely a bit of like a tumultuous 20 minutes in our relationship. The initial steps of the drone.
We'll see how it goes. Hopefully the footage looks good and all that. I guess it'll look good on the camera and everything.
Yeah, it looked good on my phone, but I guess we'll see when you guys see it when we go to edit it. So, well, that's it for us, I guess, and our little droney drone.
For a review from a couple of morons.
Yeah. I don't even know what is this. It's the DJI
Mavic Mini.
Mavic Mini is what we went with because it can fit in your pocket. So, yeah, it's kind of fun. It's like playing a video game. So, that's it. That's all. Like, share, subscribe, and catch you on the flip.
See you next time.
Bye.
Burnout?
Burnout. That was a fun one.
That's pretty good. Really lays the tires.
She's got a lot of jam.
It pushes through the brakes, so it's kind of lame with the drums on it, but we'll figure it out. I got those discs for it. I think that'll make a pretty big difference. That's the next project we're going to work on. So probably drone video coming out. We just did the end of that, and then a little bit of T stuff, and then probably, I'm thinking I got all the brake stuff for this. We'll do a little disc brake action.
Great.